Let's see if you can spot the 4 points of support in everyday activities, like leaning on the desk, like using the one hand to support to lift something else, or even without leaning. How is my nervous system coping with balancing from second to second every moment? And we can practice Feldenkrais just for a few seconds. You can remind yourself while you're doing everyday activity and do a couple of movements. Because after all, we want to develop mindfulness and awareness of what we're doing, how we need to counterbalance. To deal with this weight that is so far in front of me, I have to stick my pelvis back. Here, watch my left leg, how it will lift to balance. Now, scraping time. Let's see. Can you sense movements of the entire body? And back to movements of shifting weight and finding points of support. And back to work. So you can be spontaneous and mindful at the same time, and aware and learning. Or you can do things like that. Thank you.